The city feels alive, like it's constantly thinking.
I feel it too.
Let's keep exploring.
It's impressive, but it's also easy to get distracted. Stay close and remember, awareness is safety.
Wow, this place looks like the future inside the future.
Don't fall behind.
Just 1 second.
Mom? Sis? Okay, stay calm. Panic never solves problems.
First rule, breathe. Second rule, think. Third rule, act. I remember Mom saying, calm minds find clear paths. Excuse me, I'm separated from my family. Could you guide me to the nearest help center?
Of course. Please follow the holographic guide. Of course. Please remain calm. Assistance is on the way.
Thank you. That already makes me feel better.
He was right behind us.
I told him not to stop, but
Blame won't help. Strategy will.
you're right. Let's think logically.
He knows our emergency protocol.
Yes, stay calm, find a safe place, ask for help.
Exactly. He's more capable than he thinks.
I used to think being lost meant being helpless. But right now, I feel strangely capable.
Mom, I'm safe. I'm at the Central Help Station near Sky Plaza. I stayed calm and asked for assistance.
Please don't worry. I'll wait right here.
He's safe.
I knew he would be.
He handled this like an adult. Growth often begins with discomfort.
Do you think he was scared?
Probably. Courage doesn't erase fear, it manages it.
That's powerful.
So is he.
I can't find my dad.
It's okay. Let's breathe together. Then we'll ask for help. Together.
I'm so proud of you.
I was scared, but I didn't let fear lead.
You let thinking lead instead.
Exactly. Being lost taught me something.
That you're stronger than you thought?
That and asking for help is a form of strength.
The strongest people know when not to walk alone.
Next time I feel lost, I won't panic.
You'll think.
And you'll ask. And I'll grow.
Sometimes I feel like speed is overrated.
That's surprising. You usually love efficiency. Efficiency without thinking creates elegant mistakes. That's one of the smartest things I've heard this week. Today, you'll solve a real-world problem in 30 minutes. Your challenge is on the board. You have 30 minutes. 30 minutes? That's intense.
Time pressure reveals thinking habits.
Exactly. Begin now.
or destroys them?
We'll see.
Let's decide fast so we can start.
Let's understand first so we don't restart.
That sounds slower.
Only at the beginning.
Design a system that prevents flood damage in urban areas. We should build higher walls.
Walls treat symptoms, systems treat causes.
Okay? I'm listening.
Let's slow down and define the problem clearly. Where does the water originate? How fast does it accumulate?
You're mapping before building.
Exactly. Architecture begins with understanding. I realized that slowing down actually made us faster.
She saved us from solving the wrong problem.
That's wisdom, speed guided by thought.
I used to rush to answers.
Now you're racing to understanding.
That's a better race.
Instead of blocking floods, we redirect them. Sensors detect risk early, and automated channels guide water safely.
In short, prevention beats reaction.
Impressive reasoning.
You didn't rush, you ruled.
Thinking isn't loud, it's precise.
I'm stealing that line. I learned something today.
That thinking saves time?
That leadership doesn't always speak first.
Sometimes it listens longest.
How do you stay calm under pressure? I replace urgency with clarity. That sounds expensive. It's free.
Fast minds impress people. Clear minds change systems.
I prefer changing systems. Same, starting tomorrow.
Today, I'll think before I speak.
That might change history.
Let's not exaggerate.
Yet.
Thinking first doesn't slow life.
It upgrades it.
Wisdom always improves the system.
Next challenge, I'm thinking first.
Good.
Growth in progress. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Thank you for watching.
This is the end of episode 2.
Next episode is coming soon. Bye-bye.